Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channels and happy holidays to everyone. So today it's Christmas Eve, December 24th. I just got the latest update from Tesla, which is 2021.44.25. It should be the holiday update that's everybody's waiting for. Should be the new interface, and today I'm gonna show you guys what's all the updates all about. Let's go. As you can see here, still installing the newest update. It said unwrapping the presents. So while I was installing it, the car was flashing lights randomly. I think this is the third time already. So first thing you see here, software version 11.1. Tap to explore what's new. And you can skip right here. See from the first impressions. Now you can see all the icons down here. So they are colors now. Usually they just like kind of black and white from the previous version. You have a phone here, probably music here. I'm just guessing right now. That's a camera. Toy box. That has to be stacks of the car. So I will tap to explore. Now it shows on the side of the car right here. So that's like a quick control for the car. You have sensory mode here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, wiper, and charging. So let me try sensory mode. So when I hit that, this showed up. It said new customizable bottom bar. Oh, okay, so now you can choose which one you want to be on the bottom bar right here, which one's gonna be your main button that you use the most frequent. So camera, sentry, the stacks of the car, calendar, text, movie, game, toy box. What is this? Okay, so I hit that. Now it changes. The new temperature quick control. So now you can control a heated seat, the heating seat, through the temperature quick control. Okay, now we start from the first page. Now it's all the introductions done. First thing I see here on the release notes, it said light show. So the light show said watch your Tesla dance to choreograph light show any time of the year. So the way you do it, it's open the toy box, tap light show, and follow instruction. Customizable app launcher. So now you can customize your buttons, where you want your main buttons, to be here, and simplify control. Okay, here it says simplify control. The display has been simplified to focus on navigation, media, and the most common primary control. Blind spot camera. Okay, so you can now automatically see the live camera view of your blind spot whenever you active turn signal light. Okay, I really like that. So I have the Honda Pilot right here, 2017, which it has that blind spot camera when I turn right. When I put on the turn right signal, then it shows the blind spot, which is really helpful. I really like that function on that car. I'm glad they put this here in the Tesla right now. So edit the waypoint, easily reorder or add multiple destination. That is great. So that's the first time you can do that in Tesla navigation. Boombox megaphone. Project your voice to the additional authority using a new megaphone function. Your car must be in park. So now you can project your voice while you in park, but while you're in the car. I think we can try that later. You can now watch TikTok from your touchscreen, so that's new. That's a new game. Subwoofer. So you adjust the subwoofer, bringing up the media. Okay, so you can adjust the subwoofer on the sounds control directly. Dark mode, automatic seat heaters. First row seat heaters can now automatically regulate seat temperature based on the cabin environment and the climate control set temperature. Okay, that's great. That's really convenient. Dash cam clip. Easily delete all the dash cam video clips directly from the touchscreen. Dark mode. Height map details. Okay, so that's it on the release notes of the 2021 44.25.2. Okay, let's actually try to use the interface here and what's the difference. So the first difference I can see now, there's no more wipers or no more tire pressure or a trip diameter right here. How do we find that? Let's try car. Okay, I think it should be in let me see service. Okay, so now you have to do extra step to check your tire pressure on the screen. So you have to go through car main menu, then you go to service, and then you can see the PSI, which is not showing right now for some reason. I have no idea why it's not showing. Paddles and steerings, pretty much the same here, nothing changed. Charging, pretty much the same here, just the interface looks new to me, a little new. Here's the same. Autopilot, the same. I think another thing was new, not only this one, was the previous. I think there's 44.6 that which has the driver door unlock mode. Only unlock the driver door when you first unlock the vehicle, so the rest of the door will be locked. That's for your safety. Okay, let's try something here. So if I click here, that'll bring up the whole menu that they have here in the car. And if I click here, so that's a camera, so you have shortcuts for the camera. That's a radio, okay, music, and the phone. Yes, so I like it, a phone being here, but then again, you can kind of customize it the way you want it. Toy box. Okay, so now it's kind of different layout from the previous, because previous one, all the selection here, it used to be right vertical. Now it's all horizontal. So the light shows here, right there. Start the light show. So I'll try to put the videos of the light shows. I have to wait until it's nighttime. I will upload that video after this video. So boombox. Now you can control the boombox. I think that's the same what we had before. Rainbow Road, that's the same. Theater. So now you have TikTok. Arcade. So the layout changed practically mostly just from vertical selections. Now it's all horizontal selections. Okay, now let's try to customize the bottom main bar right here. So I'm gonna try hit this button. Now let's say I want the energy consumptions to be in the main, so just hold it, drag it down, just put wherever you want it, probably the last one or that side if I wanted to. Nope, I can't. So that's a recent app right there. So my app, let me put right here. Let's try how many I can put in here. So what's the max here? Let's put messages down here. Okay, so I could only do 4. So your max main app is only 4 apps. So you can switch back and forth to whatever you think you use the most, and just put it right here. And there also, as you can see right here, you can see they also include $2 here if you have the account with them. Okay, let's try the navigations waypoint. Let's try to add see, I want to go to target. So if I want to go someplace just randomly, in this area, so I just click that spot right there and then add to the destination. So now you can see it shows 2 different destinations. So from the first destination goes here, then the second one after. So that's for the map. Okay, let's try to play with temperature control. Swipe up for more control. Okay, so now instead of click, okay, so same here. So before, instead of has a big fan icon here for the main control of the temperature control, so you just click on the actual temperature, so it show the big main control here. Looks really similar to what we had before. So defrost. Wow. So now, okay, before, I remember we have defrost down here somewhere that you can quickly go to it. Now you have to go to the main control to do windshield defrost and the rear window defrost. So that's another extra step. I'm not sure if I like that. I like it being down here. It's so easy to use, because most of the time, if I needed that function, you can't barely see what's in front of you. So you don't want to kind of leave your vision on the road and then go down here and try to find where I can defrost my windshields. So that, I don't know, hopefully they'll fix that soon. So that's the rear seat control. Same here. Okay, now so you can't do the heated seat, front seat in the rear seat. Now you can only control all the rear seat, heated seat. So the front seat will just go to the front section. So if you want a heated seat here, I just click this button instead now. There you go. So you tap 1, 2, 3, and you can also put on auto. But I guess your AC has to be auto, then your heated seat will be on auto too. So turn on and off, the same. You, instead of holding that fan in the middle before, now just hold the actual temperature, then it will be on. So turn it off, just hold it down, then it's off. There you go. So let's try see if I put the car in motion and what's the interface here look like. So I put in drive. As you can see here, the speedometer, it's all the way really close to this edge on the left right here. So I guess they try to put it as far left as possible, so you don't have to move your head or move your eyes a lot from the road, so it's in your line of sight while you're driving, so as close as possible to the, when you look straight you still can see that speedometer. And shield the mode, it's moved from bottom to up here right now, and different layout on the seatbelt warning right here. Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner here somehow. I guess they do it so in the future for the full self-driving, then they can add more elements, of what's around you when you're driving to it, so they have more space to put more elements here. Otherwise everything looks really similar to what we had before right here. Changing, let me put this, okay, so changing from percentage to mileage and the batteries. So that's it for the new holiday update, guys. Let me know in the comment which part of the update you don't like and which part you like. For me, I think I love the shortcuts that you can customize. I would love that I could do more shortcuts, like small items like defrost of the front windshields and rear windows. If I could customize that and put on the main button in the front, that would be great. And the style of the layout, the color, full color, I like. And the speedometers being really close to the edge on the left, I really like that. So I don't have to look over on screen so much. Now I just look straight, I still can see that number moving, so that is really helpful. And most of stuff is pretty cool. I think small little layouts here and there, but hopefully in the future they will fix some of the layout that it's fixed to make it more user friendly, easier to get to, I guess. Thank you for watching again. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. And tonight I'm gonna film the light show video. I'm gonna put that in the next video. And if you like the video, click like and subscribe. See you on the next video.